Okay, what up guys, you're welcome to today's video. So in this video I will be sharing with you how you can possibly trade forex without a huge capital, and this is the real secret that I'm going to be reviewing to you. So this is from experience. Make sure you sit tight and watch the video to the very end. If you really want to learn something new, subscribe, smash the like button. Let's jump right into it. So 3 years ago I met someone who completely changed the way I looked at forex trading, right? His name was Daniel, and this guy is around 22 years old. Yeah, it's a guy, right, who was working at a small printing shop, right? And this guy barely make ends meet. There was something different about this guy. Every evening, right, after work, okay, he do open his second-hand laptop, like this kind of old-fashioned laptop. This guy would just log into his trading account and focus like a snapper. So I thought he was just another dreamer, right? Until one day I asked him how much he started with. This will possibly shock you. He looked at me and smiled, just said, just $50 and some knowledge most people ignore. Fast forward to today, Daniel is now a big boy. He's now living in his house, driving a luxurious vehicle, living his best life, right? I'm basically teaching others how to grow small accounts into something powerful. And today I'm going to review the same secret Daniel shared with me, right? Secret that helped me grow my small account. And not just that, that can help you start trading forex even if you don't have a lot of money. So this is the real secret, and I'm going to be giving it to you for completely free. So sit tight, watch the video to the very end, and if you find value, smash the like button. Very helpful. The first secret, it's not about how much you actually start with, right? It's about how you think. Now if you treat $50 like a throwaway gamble, let me just put the $50 whatsoever it brings out, that is a gamble, and you possibly waste the money at that particular time, and before you know it, it will disappear. But if you treat it like it's $5,000, you will possibly be careful and you'll be strategic and be disciplined, right? At this point, you are already ahead of 90% of new traders. Start small, but think big, right? That mindset shift alone can change your trading journey. Let's talk about leverage, right? With forex, you can control large positions with small amounts of capital. For example, with 1:100 leverage, $50 can control accounts of $5,000 worth of currencies, right? And $100 can control accounts of $10,000 worth of currency. If you push it to $150 or to $200, that can possibly control the accounts of $20,000 with your $200, right? That is how the leverage works. But here is the catch. Most beginners blow this account because they misuse leverage. Now, Daniel once told me, right, that leverage is like fire. It can cook your food or burn down your home. So use a small lot size and possibly risk only 1 to 2% per trade, right, of your trading account. And that is how you can make leverage work for you and not against you. Just go and watch my risk management video up here. That will help you to know how to manage your account and be successful in the forex market. Now, if you don't want to risk your own hard-earned money, no problem. All I want you to do right now as a beginner, right, use demo account to practice, right? Master your strategy without losing a dime. Am I understood? I take that again, right? Use demo account to practice. Master your strategy without losing a dime. Or even better, pro firms like FTMon or my forex funds or my funded next, the links are right at the description, allow you to trade with their capital after passing a simple challenge. Now, Daniel used a pro firm also to turn his skills into income, right, without risking his own cash, and you can do the same. Now focus on one pair and one strategy as a beginner. Am I understood? Now, with small capital, you need lesser focus. Possibly, I will advise you to pick one pair like Euro USD or possibly GBP JPY. These are simple currency pair with less volatility, right? Then choose one particular strategy, maybe price action or support and resistance as a trader. Now, I will advise you to also do one thing. Don't chase every setup, right? Don't jump into one signal group. Focus and master one thing at a time. That's how small capital becomes a consistent profit. Let me ask you this, right? Would you rather double your money fast and lose it next week, or grow it slowly and keep it forever? Quite a difficult question, because a lot of new traders believe they will just get into the market and make over thousands of dollars overnight. All right, instead of focusing in growing that account gradually, slowly, right? They just believe that let me just trade it once and make it at once. Now, Forex trading is not like that. All you just need to do right now is to focus on growing it slowly and keep it forever. The power of compounding is your best friend, right? Even if you make just 2 to 3% weekly, right, your account can grow dramatically over time. Be patient, be consistent, let the maths work for you. Am I understood? Patience is the key that will keep you in the market. Be consistent will always make you win when you don't give up the market. Am I understood? So if you find value in the video, I will also advise you smash the like button, and if you've not subscribed, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Very, very important. Daniel did not start rich, neither did I, but we learn the truth, right? You don't need a big account to become a big trader. Am I understood? You need the right mindset, discipline, and possibly strategy. Am I understood? So if this video has opened your eyes to so many things, all I want you to do is to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Very, very important. All you need to become a successful trader is just within this video, right? Consistency, patience, and build your strategy, right? Don't go chasing the market, don't go over trading. And the next video is going to be on emotional control or psychology. So you need that video. That is why you need to stay tuned to the channel. All right, if you want to get my trading journal, so the link is right at the description. If you want one-on-one class, email me. My email is going to be at the description. And if you also want my trading plans, all of these are possibly free. The link is also at the description. Go get my trading plan, go get my trading journal. So see you guys in the next video. So peace out.